you guys, there is something we are entering, not far, not soon. There is something we are entering, not far, not soon. So we should be seeking uh, tugume tushera obukama bwahanga abukuba things may be not well as such on your side, but other way around it may be very beautiful. uh, you always hear nebabagambira ngumanya kakarakashagama. You know, people who doesn't have vision, they speak the history, but anibachigamba kwonka that thing it is there and it's real. So hatukumukuba numureba ishaitwe nari mukamihanga ariyo nagenda nakora. So what will be next? Can don't think that next is the witches, next is Bamareka to take the throne. So imumwana mureba ubwire buriyo nubugenda nubufunza mutakajya ngo hariho sitani kwija kunanga. The throne is for Bamareka. Bamareka to barashitame kugira ngo abantu baza kushitama kuko muri kureba His Excellency ashitame mu ntebe. No, they may use His Excellency kushitama mu ntebe kwonka are very beautiful, down to us, kandi uri nk'umurangi nari uruhu bwarahanga nari uri kumanya ng'umurangi, the someone who is value barangi zane His Excellency ogwariho abo kuba His Excellency we n'Enyotsya bona n'Enyotsya bona oijo uri umufumu nakwibere, oijo uri umurangi nakwibere, oijo uri otabona nakwibere n'Enyotsya bona konka hariho kandi utari kwija kunsya emanda uri kwija kuba nayontsya Omuchwezi wenka. Ubwo nibo babene babaragorora ngo Bakama Bensi bari abageshyikire uri kwija kuba naba specific nayontsya Omuchwezi konka muhereza wetu we n'Enyotsya bona kandi nawe tikikureka arahanga kakimbyaramo kugira ngo akore iki cyashimye kuba nakora konka obwire bwo kuburuhika tarubaho Enyotsya bona nahija kuja iberero muri Omuchwezi ertureje guma ntwonkera hitwe abari mu mbabaza Bakama Bensi mukama bampera obusingi kandi abampera ihorere shana hahe n'orwenda kubuza mu odiezo omugambo ebyo wayino cyo kwenda kwetegereza nari kugira ngo wagambaho. So ninza gukurikiza and I will give you time and I appreciate what you want to speak about.